Good morning, all of you. So in the last class, we have completed up to the digestion in stomach, right? Digestion of food in stomach. Quickly, we will revise and then we go for the next one. First, can you tell me which enzymes are present in gastric juice? Stop writing. बोलिए, which enzymes are present in gastric juice?
मैम गॉबलेट सेल्स
Cells नहीं कालो, enzymes.
Pepsinogen,
Pepsinogen, then
prorenin, and gastric lipase.
pepsinogen, prorenin, and gastric lipase, right? Pepsinogen, it is an inactive form. Yes or no? Inactive, right? This pepsinogen converts into what? Pepsin in the presence of
Dilute HCl.
dilute HCl.
Secreted
right?
by
Now,
oxygen thick cells.
okay, pepsin is a what type of enzyme?
एक्टिव एंजाइम
Active hai, but it's a what type? That's a proteolytic enzyme, protein digesting enzyme. With the help of the pepsin, protein degrades into which compounds?
Peptones and
Peptones and
proteoses.
proteoses, right? At that time, I have told you little bit some proteins remain as it is, right? So once the food, just imagine now food that is present in stomach, on that the gastric juice enzyme work, particularly which one? Pepsin work. So end products, peptones are there, proteoses are there, and still some amount of proteins are there. This type of food now come to the which part? Duodenum. So duodenum may now duodenum, the products coming, these three: proteins, peptones, and proteoses. Now, before going into this thing, you have to understand one more concept. Remember, the C-shaped structure is what?
Duodenum.
Duodenum, right? Over here, which duct opens?
Hepatopancreatic.
Hepatopancreatic ducts get open. Hepatopancreatic duct, क्या होगा उसमें? It contains
Bile juice
what?
plus pancreatic enzyme.
Bile juice plus
Correct. Bile juice plus pancreatic juice. Bile plus pancreatic. Right? Now, bile juice plus pancreatic juice. Even in duodenum, remember the glands are present. Which glands?
Brunner's gland.
Brunner.
Yes, correct. Brunner gland. Right? In duodenum, which one? Brunner's gland present. Brunner's gland, even that crypts of liver cone. Intestinal glands, in short, we can say that what? Intestinal glands are present over here. Right? So in duodenum, you can get bile juice, pancreatic juice. Pancreas secrete their secretion. Right? In that, so many enzymes are there. So commonly, we call it pancreatic juice. Bile juice already we have discussed in the last class. Yes or no? Right? Next, another, that's the intestinal gland. So intestinal gland also secrete their secretion that we call intestinal juice. Clear? Now, so duodenum में bile juice भी है, pancreatic juice भी है, and intestinal juice. Bile juice में कोई भी enzyme होता है? Any
No.
enzyme present in bile juice? Yes or no?
No.
No. In bile juice, no enzymes are there, right? Pigments there, salts there, but no enzyme. Now, next is a what? Pancreatic juice. Remember, in the duodenum, pancreatic juice के भी enzymes है, and intestinal juice के भी enzymes है. Yes or no? Right? But first, the food that is come from the stomach to intestine, duodenum, which enzymes work? Pancreatic juice. First, which enzyme work? Pancreatic juice enzyme work, and pancreatic juice enzyme से जो product form होंगे, on that intestinal juice enzyme work. ये पहले clear होना चाहिए mind, right? First, which enzymes work? Pancreatic juice. It's a sequential reaction, right? Protein के लिए देखिए, पहले pepsin जो stomach में था, right? उसने work किया. Then second is a which one? Pancreatic juice enzymes work करेंगे, and the third one at the end, which one? Intestinal juice enzyme, and then digestion completed. इतना clear है first? Sure? Okay. Now, so the food that is coming from the stomach to intestine, okay, in stomach, carbohydrate digestion occur? Yes or no?
No.
Online students, answer. No.
No.
Correct. Next. After that, lipid digestion in that? No. Protein digestion. Yes, protein digestion begins in which part? Stomach, right? Protein digestion begins in a stomach. So stomach में जो first enzyme था, that's the pepsin. Pepsin से हमें ये products मिले. These products containing food reach to what? Duodenum. Now duodenum में कौन से enzymes first work करेंगे? Pancreatic juice enzyme. Pancreatic juice में भी protein digesting enzymes है, right? So here first one, can you make out first enzyme over here? That's the trypsin. Pancreatic juice secrete trypsinogen. Pancreatic juice में actually होता कौन सा है enzyme? Trypsinogen. So trypsinogen actually formed by the pancreas, right? Through the pancreatic duct and then hepatopancreatic duct, it come over here, right? Now here stomach में acidic pH is there. In intestine alkaline pH 7.8, right? Now यहाँ पे imagine करिए कि stomach है, तो यहाँ पे stomach में कौन सा pH होता है? but exactly 1.8, right? 1.8 is drastic change. 7.8 highly acidic to alkaline. Bile juice, correct. Okay, over here, that's why at the junction of the stomach and the duodenum, hepatopancreatic ducts get open. इससे क्या होगा? Hepatopancreatic duct provides what? Bile juice. Bile juice का one of the function is that it provides what? Alkalinity. And due to that, here this trypsinogen, which is inactive form in pancreas, that becomes active in which medium? Alkaline medium, and that perform their role, right? देखिए पेंक्रियास में अब ये क्वेश्चन होगा कि फिर पेंक्रियास से वो आ जाता ना एक्टिव फॉर्म में, यस और नो. बट फूड कैन एंटर इनटू पेंक्रियास? नो. Food remain in a which one? Lumen of alimentary canal, right? So pancreas में active होना, is it necessary? Is it required? No. यहाँ पे required है, right? So here it become active. Okay. So trypsinogen inactive form in pancreas, trypsin active form in small intestine, duodenum. With the help of this bile juice that provides the alkalinity in alkaline medium, that becomes active, that's the trypsin. And now this trypsin acts on this compound, proteins, peptones and proteases, right? When this enzyme works on that, it converts these products into two, polypeptides and amino acids. You know, last time we have discussed, suppose ये पूरा protein है तो degrade हो जाता है two molecules में. One large molecule, small molecule, peptones and proteases are there. This one with the help of trypsin enzyme further degraded and individual amino acids are formed. This one still remain as it is. Okay. So remember over here, products are what? Polypeptides and amino acids. Amino acids का क्या होगा? Amino acids का absorption, because proteins convert into the end product is what? Amino acids. Amino acids से आगे further उसका कोई degradation नहीं होता, right? So no further degradation of amino acid. Amino acid is the last end product of protein digestion, and that amino acids get absorbed in intestine. Clear है? First is what? Substrate. Substrates are what? For trypsin. Proteins.
Peptons,
All of you speak. Proteins.
peptons,
Proteases. On that which enzyme work?
trypsin,
Trypsin. Trypsin is an active form. Their inactive form?
Trypsinogen.
Trypsinogen formed in
Pancreas.
pancreas, right? Trypsin active form in
Duodenum.
duodenum, right? Their activator name is what? Enterokinase. कुछ तो activate करना है, right? Activator is required over here. So trypsinogen, when through the hepatopancreatic duct is reached to the duodenum, wall of duodenum secrete enterokinase. Remember, wall of duodenum क्या secrete करेगा? One of the chemical, that name is what? Enterokinase. So trypsinogen plus enterokinase, that gives what? Trypsin, which is active form, right? Products are what? पॉलीपेप्टाइड्स एंड अमाइनो एसिड्स. अमाइनो एसिड्स का क्या हो जाता है? एब्जॉर्प्शन. नाउ स्टिल विच वन इज रिमेनिंग?
Polypeptide.
Polypeptides, right? On this polypeptide, next proteolytic enzyme work. Again, see, ये सारे enzyme pancreatic juice के over here for the intestinal. So now, next is a which one work? Chymotrypsin. Next, which enzyme works? Chymotrypsin. Chymotrypsin works on this polypeptides, right? Polypeptides on with this chymotrypsin work, and this long polypeptide now further degrading to smaller polypeptide, and from that still some amount of amino acids, very less amino acids are released. Amino acids का absorption हो जाएगा. These smaller polypeptides that further degrade by another enzyme. Which one? Carboxypeptidase. Carboxypeptidase, and converts into what? Dipeptides. Can anyone tell me what is dipeptide? Huh? What is
When two
dipeptide?
amino- When
हाँ,
two
बोलो.
amino acids join with each other.
Peptide bond.
Correct है. Offline बोलिए. What is dipeptide? Tia? Amino acid बोल रहे, nucleoside. Shreya? Yes, two molecules of amino acid joined by which bond? Amino acids joined by peptide bond. So one amino acid, second amino acid joined by a peptide bond, and that you call what? Dipeptide. That you call what? Dipeptide structure. So at the end of with the help of this carboxypeptidase, this type of structures are formed. देखिए यहाँ पे ये ऐसा होगा, smaller polypeptide, many amino acids linked with each other. Right? Now with the help of this enzyme, only two molecules like this, the structures are formed. These all are what? Dipeptides. Clear hai? Right? So first we have learned trypsin. देखिए first हम protein digestion complete कर रहे हैं. Stomach, then duodenum. These two organs are there. पहले pepsin ने work किया. Second, which enzyme work? Trypsin. Third, which enzyme work? Chymotrypsin. Fourth, which enzyme work? Carboxy. Sequence यही होना चाहिए. जो मन में आए वो नहीं लिखना है. Right? First, pepsin in stomach. Second, trypsin, duodenum. But coming from pancreatic juice, hepatopancreatic duct. Right? Trypsin के बाद third enzyme, chymotrypsin. Fourth enzyme, carboxypeptidase. बोलिए, clear है? Sure. Now, so one more thing. Can you make out over here कि chymotrypsin है, उसका भी inactive form है. That is which one? Chymotrypsinogen. Chymotrypsinogen refers for inactive form, right? Their activator is what? Trypsin. So trypsin performs a dual function. Trypsin performs dual function. Can you tell me which are this dual function? I have explained this. Now, first what?
As an enzyme.
Proteins convert into
It
polypeptides.
helps in, correct, that first digestion. It breaks down this molecule into this. Second, it acts as an activator. It acts as an activator. Activator भी है. Activator for which enzymes? Chymotrypsinogen and procarboxypeptidase. Right? So can you make out pancreatic juice के 3 enzyme है, proteolytic है, but always first कौन work करेगा? Because trypsin form होगा तभी तो ये दो activate होंगे. Right? That's why sequential reaction, remember. Now, so trypsinogen converts into trypsin by enterokinase. Chymotrypsinogen converts into by, then procarboxypeptidase converts into by with the help of trypsin. Right? Clear hai?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, here the dipeptides are formed at the end. Now understand, all these dipeptides, intestinal gland, intestinal juice enzyme work, right? अभी जो intestinal gland ने जो enzyme secrete किया है, one of the enzyme name is what? Dipeptidase. ये dipeptide है according to the substrate name, right? The enzyme name given is what? Dipeptidase. Another name of dipeptidase, erapsin. Another name of dipeptidase is what? Erapsin. And these dipeptides, देखिए ये सारे dipeptides है, right? In between them, only one single peptide bond is there. Now this bond is also break with the help of this enzyme. So they all are converted into what? Amino acids, right? So amino acids form ho gaya. All different kinds of proteins ultimately at the end convert into amino acids. Boliye, clear? Sure? If anyone asks, explain the protein digestion in human. So क्या लिखोगे? First, which point? चलो बोलो fast. First, which point? First, that's the protein digestion begins in stomach. फिर stomach को explain करना है, right? That in that which enzyme is there? Which enzyme? Pepsin. Pepsin, first of all, their inactive form, their activator. Pepsin works on which substrate?
Proteins. Yep.
Correct. Proteins. Proteins converts into
Proteolysis
and peptones. Yes, right. Next, second thing. Now this food, acidic chyme food that reach to the duodenum. Okay, first which enzyme works? Trypsin. Trypsin works on
Proteins, peptones, and proteolysis.
correct. Proteins, peptones, and proteolysis. Trypsin convert this substrate into which products?
Polypeptide, amino
Polypeptides and amino acids, right? Trypsin, their inactive form, activator, enterokinase is secreted from
wall of duodenum.
Wall of duodenum, right? Wall of duodenum. Next, after that, on this polypeptide, which enzyme work?
Chymotrypsin.
Chymotrypsin, their inactive form,
Chymotrypsin.
their activator, product, smaller polypeptide and some amino acids. Now on this smaller polypeptide, which enzyme work?
Carboxypeptidase.
Carboxypeptidase, their inactive form,
Procarboxypeptidase.
correct, procarboxypeptidase, and their activator, product, dipeptides. Now on these dipeptides, which enzyme work? Dipeptidase, another name erapsin. Dipeptidase and another name is erapsin. Now, so this dipeptide is secreted from where?
Intestine.
Intestine. Okay, that is secreted by intestinal gland in duodenum. Now, that helps in convert dipeptides into amino acids form ho gaye. Now no further degradation. So that is the complete protein digestion. Boliye, clear hai?
Yes, ma'am.
In our food, protein present that is degraded in this way, step by step. Right? Now we shift to the next one. That is the carbohydrate digestion. First we have learned protein digestion. Second, now we are going to learn carbohydrate digestion. Can you tell me carbohydrate digestion begins where?
Oral cavity.
Oral cavity. By which enzyme?
Saliva.
Another name is ptyalin. pH
6.8.
6.8. Amylase acts on which compound?
Starch.
Correct.
Convert into
Starch.
maltase.
Starch converts into
Maltose.
maltose. Starch is a monosaccharide, di or poly? Polysaccharide, right? Next, another is a maltose is a disaccharide. Clear hai? Now, can you tell me in oral cavity how much amount of starch can we have?
30%.
Only 30%, right? देखिए, यहाँ पे दिख रहा है amylase ही है, but that is secreted by pancreas. So name given is what? Pancreas. जैसे saliva में थे salivary amylase. So यहाँ पे कौन सा amylase है? Pancreatic amylase. Pancreatic amylase, another name amylopsin. Another name is what? Amylopsin, right? Now, pancreatic amylase that acts on which compound? जो 70% बाकी रह गया था starch, on that this one works, pancreatic amylase, right? So this pancreatic amylase works on starch and converts into, यहाँ पे अभी 100% starch का convert हो जाता है, right? That's the starch into maltose. Now, this maltose is a monosaccharide, disaccharide, disaccharide. On this disaccharide, now intestinal juice enzyme work. राइट ये आपने ऑलरेडी चैप्टर नंबर 9 में लर्न किया है.
Yeah.
Maltose disaccharide, sucrose disaccharide, lactose disaccharides, right? Sucrose present in what? In which food?
Ma'am,
Huh?
Juices.
juices.
Fruit juices.
Fruit juices, correct, okay. Fruit juices, right? In that this sucrose present, lactose,
Milk.
milk sugar, milk protein name,
Casein.
casein, milk protein, casein, milk sugar, lactose, right? Maltose किस में से मिलेगा?
That.
वाह, स्टार्च में से. ये बेस्ट आंसर है. जो wheat है, malt है, right? Cereals generally होते हैं. From that you can get this maltose. Okay. Now, so maltose is a disaccharide that splits or that convert with the help of which enzyme? देखिए maltose है तो maltase, sucrose है तो lactose है तो on the base of substrate name, enzymes name, right? Maltose enzyme, sucrose enzyme, and lactose. Now, maltose with the help of maltase convert into glucose plus. Next, sucrose converts into and lactose converts into glucose plus galactose, right? Maltose, glucose, fructose, glucose, sucrose, glucose, fructose, lactose, glucose, galactose. Clear? Now, these all are what? Glucose, fructose, galactose are monosaccharide. Yes, correct. Monosaccharides. तो इसका further degradation होगा, digestion होगा? नहीं, ये तो monosaccharide है. Monosaccharides में property में आपने learn किया था, it can be easily absorbed by cell membrane. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? It can easily cross the cell membrane, water soluble, sweet in taste. So over here, this carbohydrate digestion is completed. Understood? First, we have learned protein digestion. Second,
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate starts in a oral cavity, right? How much amount of that
30%.
starch hydrolyzed?
30%.
30% with the help of
Silane.
salivary amylase, another name ptyalin.
Silane.
Next, it acts on which substrate? Converts into. Next, now this type of food, okay, see stomach में no carbohydrate digestion, that food remain as it is, right? Carbohydrate में कुछ change नहीं होगा. Directly that reach to the which one?
Duodenum.
Small intestine, duodenum. Duodenum में hepatopancreatic duct ऊपर होगा. From the pancreatic juice, this enzyme coming, which one?
Amylase.
Pancreatic amylase. Another name?
Amylopsin.
Pancreatic amylase acts on, converts into
Maltose.
maltose is a.
Disaccharide.
Now, on all these disaccharides, which these disaccharides? Maltose,
Maltose,
sucrose,
sucrose,
lactose. On all these disaccharides, now intestinal juice enzyme work. Maltose है तो enzyme name.
Maltase.
Sucrose है तो.
Sucrase.
Or
Yes.
inverted.
Lactose है तो.
Lactase.
Okay. With the help of the maltase, which products are formed?
Glucose plus
Glucose,
Glucose plus
right?
glucose.
Correct. Next, sucrose, sucrase,
Glucose and fructose.
Glucose plus
glucose and lactase,
Yeah, lactose plus glucose.
glucose and galactose. बोलिए, clear? Right? Now next, after, so over here, this carbohydrate digestion is completed. Now the next, that is another macroelement, macronutrient which is present in our food, lipid. Protein का digestion हो गया, carbohydrate का हो गया. Now the third is which one? Lipid, fat, right? So fat digestion, remember the fat structure actually? 3 fatty acids and 1 glycerol, yes or no? Triglyceride structure.
Yes, ma'am.
Basically it's a which one? Triglyceride. So first is a which one? Triglyceride. Triglyceride converts into diglyceride. You know 3 fatty acids are there and 1 glycerol. Gradually क्या होगा? 1 by 1 fatty acid remove होगा. If 1 fatty acid remove, we call diglyceride. 2 fatty acids remove, monoglyceride. So monoglyceride plus still glycerol is there. These two are also further separated. Okay. तो sequence ये होगा. Triglyceride to diglyceride to monoglyceride, and at the end fatty acid and glycerol both are separated. Okay, first sequence is what? Then and fatty acid and glycerol, right? So पूरा triglyceride molecule digest हो गया, break down हो गया into simple form, okay, which can easily absorb by the cell. Now, so triglyceride converts into what first? Triglyceride with the help of pancreatic lipase. Lipase देखिए यहाँ पे alkaline medium है, so it will work, right? Pancreatic lipase, another name stepsin. Another name is what? Stepsin. So triglyceride converts into diglyceride. Now next is what? Pancreatic juice से सिर्फ एक ही product form होगा for lipid, that's the diglyceride. Now on this diglyceride, which enzyme work? Lipase, same lipase, but now this lipase secreted by intestinal glands, right? So diglyceride converts into monoglyceride, converts into enzyme name remains same, lipase, right? But यहाँ पे pancreas है तो pancreatic lipase, you can write over here even intestinal lipase. बोलिए, lipid digestion clear? Online students, any doubt in that?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, चलिए. Now the last thing, that's the nucleic acids, right? देखिए हम fruits, vegetables ये सब eat करते हैं, right? Now even जो that's a non-veg, okay, chicken से ये सब लेते हैं, तो in that the cells are there. सेल के अंदर क्या हो, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि आपको न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स निकाल के वो देते हैं कि लो अभी ये खाओ, ऐसा होता है नहीं. बेसिकली ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज मेड बाय व्हाट? सेल, राइट? सेल है तो सेल के अंदर न्यूक्लियस, उसके अंदर न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स आते हैं. सो व्हेन न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स आर देयर, दिस न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स आल्सो गेट डाइजेस्टेड, राइट? न्यूक्लिक एसिड कन्वर्ट्स इनटू व्हाट फर्स्ट? कैन यू गिव मी फर्स्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ न्यूक्लिक एसिड? कितना डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है ना? हाँ,
DNA
करेक्ट, यस करेक्ट, डीएनए एंड आरएनए. डीएनए फुल फॉर्म,
Deoxyribonucleic
आरएनए फुल
acid.
फॉर्म,
Ribonucleic
yes,
acid.
DNA, RNA, nucleic acids, right? Can you tell me how the nucleotide is formed?
By
Nucleotide is
phosphor.
equal to what? Give me that
nitrogenous
formula.
base phosphate group.
Huh?
Nitrogen base.
Nitrogen base, phosphor group.
क्या था कहते हैं?
Amino group.
Amino.
श्रेया कुछ न्यू ही इन्वेंट करके लाएगी है ना, प्रोटीन्स में वो न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स, न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स आए थे. चलिए, नाइट्रोजन बेस प्लस शुगर प्लस phosphate, these three together you call nucleotide, right? Now nucleotide में से suppose ये phosphorus को remove कर दो, then nucleoside. Okay, so here first देखिए ऐसे बहुत सारे nucleotides join हो जाएंगे and it will form what?
Nucleic acid.
When many nucleotides join with each other, it will form. Okay, so ये nucleic acid है. Imagine कि nucleic acid है, right? Nucleic acid किस में convert हो गया? तो ये bonds break हो जाएंगे, तो nucleotides हो गए. ये bonds किससे break हो जाएंगे? Nuclease. On the base of the substrate name, enzyme name. Nucleic acid. So enzyme name is a nuclease. This one acts on this and convert into what? Nucleotides. Clear? Right? Now, on this nucleotide is the end product of the which one? Nuclease, pancreatic juice enzyme. On these nucleotides, which enzyme work? Substrate के name पे से nucleotide. So nucleotides में से अभी क्या निकाल दो? Phosphorus. तो क्या बन जाएगा?
Nucleoside.
हो गया यहाँ पे. अभी nucleosides में nucleosides है, right? ये बॉन्ड भी ब्रेक हो जाएगा, तो क्या होगा?
Nitrogen
both are
base.
separated, right? Both are separated, nitrogen base and sugar. So nucleosides converts into nitrogen base and sugar in the with the help of nucleosides. Clear? Now first which one? Nucleic acids, right? Nucleic acid digestion, lipid digestion begins in small intestine, complete in small intestine. प्रोटीन का कहाँ पे था? स्टमक एंड इंटेस्टाइन. राइट। कार्बोहाइड्रेट का ओरल कैविटी एंड इंटेस्टाइन। क्लियर है? क्वेश्चन रीड कर देना, ऐसा नहीं है कि लिखो डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड, राइट। 2 मार्क्स में, 3 मार्क्स में, इन दिस वे explain the digestion of explain the carbohydrate digestion, protein digestion. So required answer you have to write. पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखोगे, फिर उसमें से हम रिक्वायर्ड आंसर नहीं ढूंढने वाले। क्लियर? वी आर नॉट फाइंडिंग दैट, गिव इट टू 0, सिंपल। क्लियर? So nucleic acids with the help of nucleases convert into these nucleotides convert into with the help of nucleosides convert into
nitrogen base and sugar
with the help of
nucleoside.
clear? So by this way, protein digestion, carbohydrate digestion, lipid and nucleic acid digestions are completed. Any doubt in this part? Sure? Okay. Now one thing, remember that, okay, tell me, stop writing, right? इतना राइटिंग का शौक है, यहाँ पे आ जाओ, मुझे राइटिंग करके दे दो बोर्ड पे। इज इट ओके? फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड। चलिए, नाउ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन हैज हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स? 3. Which are they? First,
Duodenum.
duodenum. Second,
Jejunum.
jejunum. And third, ileum. Duodenum, remember, duodenum in that digestion is completed with the help of these enzymes. Duodenum digestion is completed. Jejunum and ileum mainly involved in what? Absorption, right? So absorption of digested food, digestion and absorption of digested food, both processes will completed in which part? Complete in which part? Small intestine. Clear hai? Sure this concept? Okay. Now can I say that this digestion, okay, फिर large intestine में क्या होगा? देखिए हमने माउथ से स्टार्ट किया, pharynx, esophagus में just pass होता है, फिर stomach में digestion किया, small intestine में किया. Now it's the large intestine. So large intestine in that cecum and colon, right? So whatever digested food is there, that is absorbed by jejunum and ileum, small intestine, right? Stand up. आप ये साइड पे आ जाओ. Not you. You sit, stand over there. आप ये साइड पे आ जाओ. So you can see you this thing, right? चलिए. Now, so jejunum and ileum in that absorption occur. Next is after the ileum, that's the large intestine begins. Large intestine, first part is what? Cecum. Then next colon, ascending, transverse, ascending and sigmoid. This colon are there, right? Now in that cecum, okay, cecum means undigested food that pass into cecum, ileum to cecum by which valve?
Ileocecal valve.
Ileocecal
Correct.
sphincter.
Ileum to cecum, which valve? Offline, bolo. Ileocecal valve, right? That's the which one? Ileocecal valve. Ileum to cecum, ileocecal valve. Last time we have discussed this, no? Boliye, clear hai? Right? Now, then after that's the colon. So whatever that's the water, still minerals, and even some amount of drugs. Drugs in terms of what? Medicines. Okay? That charas, ganja, not that like, okay? Drugs, simple, that's the which one? Medicines. Okay? Medicines को actually drugs bolte hain, right? Now, so these chemicals can absorb by the large intestine. Clear? Large intestine helps in that absorb the water molecules, but which is present in this undigested food, right? Next, in that even mucus is there, goblet cells, the entire alimentary canal mein. So that mucus, okay, that mix with the undigested food and helps in formation of that's a semi-solid form of fecal matter, right? And this fecal matter temporarily stored into the rectum, and that is released outside by defecation process through the anus. This is the entire alimentary canal, okay, function, digestion. बोलिए, clear है?
Yes.
Sure? Any doubt in this part?
No,
First,
ma'am.
we have learned structure. Second, we have learned histology, their anatomy wall. And third, we have learned
Digestive gland.
digestion. Which one? Digestion. Right? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Absorption बाकी है, अभी सिर्फ digestion complete हुआ. Right? Next. After that, digestion process. Can I say that it's for digestion, neural signals are required? Can I say that for digestion, neural signal means nervous system से message आना चाहिए? No. क्यों? Involuntary का meaning क्या होता है? Which can be controlled by us? तो क्या nervous system से message चाहिए कि नहीं? Skeletal system आपको run करना है, walk करना है, that you decide, your muscle decide. That is voluntary. That is what? Voluntary. Volunteers नहीं होते, कुछ function होते तो volunteers ऐसा होते हैं ना, volunteers होते हैं ना, वो अपने आप जाते हैं ना, स्वयं सेवक. Yes or no? Right? So that is voluntary. Involuntary meaning what? Which cannot be controlled by us. Activities which cannot be controlled by us. Right? आप respiration control कर सकते हो कि अभी मुझे सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन लेना है, CO2 को नहीं आउटसाइड देना है आफ्टर सम टाइम. इज इट पॉसिबल? नो. राइट? डाइजेशन में इसोफेगस तक फूड को अभी रहने दो, बाद में स्टमक में. इज इट पॉसिबल? नो. इनवॉलंटरी है कि नहीं? यस. सो इन दिस इनवॉलंटरी न्यूरल सिग्नल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. रिमेंबर दैट ऑर्बेज प्लेक्सिस मेजनर, तो वो क्या था? नर्व्स, प्लेक्सिस ऑफ नर्व्स. Muscles है, smooth muscles are there. As you told me that smooth muscles are involuntary. Involuntary का meaning what? That cannot be controlled by us. Controlled by the regulatory system, regulatory center, brain and spinal cord. That decides कि ये कैसे function करेगा. Right? So message from the nervous system is required for this peristaltic movement. Clear है? Right? Hormones are required for digestion. बोलिए. एंजाइम्स तो बहुत लर्न किए. हार्मोन्स आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर डाइजेशन. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, हाँ, गैस्ट्रीन हार्मोन याद है, तो हार्मोन्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. बोलो. यस. गैस्ट्रीन, गैस्ट्रीन इवन इंटेस्टाइन में. ओके, इंटेस्टाइन में आप लर्न करोगे दैट सम लोकल हार्मोन्स आर देयर इन इंटेस्टाइन आल्सो. जी सेल सिक्रीन गैस्ट्रीन. हार्मोन स्टिम्युलेट्स द ग्लैंड. ओके, ग्लैंड्स को कैसे पता चलेगा कि अभी सिक्रीशन करना है कि नहीं करना है? Hormones give this message, right? Particular cells secrete this hormone. Hormone reach to that glands and glands stimulate. Triggeration occur and it start releasing the chemicals, enzymes. बोलिए. Clear? So hormones are required as well as neural signals are also required from the CNS. Is it clear?
Yes.
Sure. Neural signals are required for digestion. Next, hormones are required.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए. Any doubt? Sure. Digestion topic. Okay. Now we are going to learn first disorders. Okay. Now we are going to learn first disorders, and then on Monday online lecture I will take the absorption topic. Right? It will take little bit time. Okay, itne mein nahi complete hoga, writing and both. Right? So only one topic then remaining, that's which one? Absorption. That we will do very slowly in online class. Clear? चलिए writing complete कीजिए fast. Okay, one more point. Intestinal juice. Intestinal juice, that another name is succus entericus. Okay, intestinal juice का meaning क्या होता है? Over here another name is what? Note down करके रखना ये. Succus entericus. Now, succus entericus is formed by what? Succus entericus का meaning what? Intestinal juice. Intestinal juice formed by
Intestinal gland.
intestinal glands. Which are the intestinal glands? Brunner's and crypts of liver. Right? So understand, secretion of Brunner's gland, secretion of crypts of liver cone together form what? Succus entericus or intestinal juice. Clear है? Right? ये पार्ट हो गया कंप्लीट राइटिंग में। ऑनलाइन आप लोग कर रहे हो राइटिंग के नहीं?
થઈ ગયું મેમ.
વેરી ગુડ.
એમ પૂરું થઈ ગયું.
લેક્ચર
ના ના
રાઇટિંગ.
રાઇટિંગ
તો
લેક્ચર તો તમે પૂરું કરો ત્યારે થાય.
Listen, in textbook, okay, very little information given regarding digestion. जो आप अगर नीट के लिए नहीं प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, स्टिक विथ योर टेक्स्ट बुक, राइट? टेक्स्ट बुक में डायरेक्टली दिया है कि ये एंजाइम वर्क कर रहा है यहाँ पे, ओके? मैंने यहाँ पे आपको डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन किया है, ओके? टू इजीली अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम बेस टू टॉप. क्लियर है? नाउ अगर आप नीट नहीं कर रहे हो देन स्टिक विथ योर टेक्स्ट बुक, ओके? नीट अगर कर रहे हो देन प्रिपेयर इन दिस मैनर ओनली. All enzymes, all substrate, all products name. Clear है? Sure? બહારથી નથી અપાતી એન્ટ્રી? અરે તે ક્યારની બહાર જ છે. એવું કઈ હોય ને તો વચ્ચે મને ઇન્ફોર્મ કરી દેજો. એટલીસ્ટ અહીંયાથી કહેજો કે એન્ટ્રી આપો. ના વાંધો નહીં.
Quickly write down all these things. I will erase after explanation of this. I will erase all these. बी सेल से कि बी तक बी impacts. Stop writing.
Digestion. Now, in that first, cells of Krebs of Lieberkühn. Krebs of Lieberkühn, you know that's a intestinal gland. जैसे हमने बताया gastric gland के cells learn किए थे. G cells, oxyntic cells, parietal cells, peptic chief, zymogen, right? Same way, cells of Krebs of Lieberkühn. In that first common goblet cell secrete mucus. इसको highlight करके रखना 5 star. Paneth cells, okay? Paneth cells secrete what? Lysozyme. Can you tell me one more structure is that also secrete lysozyme in our body? Salivary glands, right? Salivary glands and Paneth cells of Krebs of Lieberkühn secretes lysozyme. Lysozyme is an antibacterial agent. Antibacterial, no? Bacterial nahi. Antibacterial agent. Then remember we have learned this cell also, argentapine. Stomach में. Yeah. Huh? Stomach नहीं, gland cells, gastric gland cells. Yes, right? So argentapine cells secrete two chemicals, serotonin as well as
Histamine.
histamine. Serotonin for what?
Contract.
Histamine for
Relax.
contraction and relaxation of what? Muscle.
Stomach
Right?
muscle.
ये कौन से है? Krebs of Lieberkühn किसमें आता है? Stomach में आता है या intestine?
No, ma'am, sorry.
हाँ, right? So that is the serotonin and histamine. Serotonin, that's the contraction, histamine for relaxation. Okay? The contraction, relaxation of this smooth muscles. ये help करता है, जैसे neural signals करते हैं. Same with this chemical also helps into contract and relax. Contract, relax से क्या होगा? Peristalsis movement. Okay? Now, next thing that enterocyte. Enterocyte meaning intestinal cells. Right? You know that the villi are there. पता है ना? यहाँ पे Krebs of Lieberkühn, like this, the villi are there. Villi, some of the cells are goblet cells. Krebs of Lieberkühn में यहाँ पे glands के cells होंगे. फिर duodenum के तो that duodenal glands और Brunner's gland तो सब mucosa में है. तो villi, over here this cells, यहाँ पे जो cells होंगे simple columnar epithelium. This cells you call what? जो सिंपल कॉल्यूमिनर है जिसमें कोई मॉडिफिकेशन नहीं हुआ है, नो गॉबलेट सेल, नथिंग, दे आर रिमेन इन दैट सिंपल फॉर्म कॉल्यूमिनर एपिथेलियम. दिस सेल्स हेल्प्स इन व्हाट? अब्जॉर्प्शन, राइट? गॉबलेट से या फिर आर्जेंटापिन है या फिर दिस पैनेथ सेल, तो वो तो सीक्रेट करते हैं, यस और नो? रिमेंबर दैट एपिथेलियल टिश्यू पार्ट, उसमें कॉल्यूमिनर एपिथेलियम. कॉल्यूमिनर एपिथेलियम में फंक्शन क्या था? सिक्रीशन एंड एब्जॉर्प्शन, राइट? एंटेरोसाइट हेल्प्स इन व्हाट? एब्जॉर्प्शन. बट ये सारे पार्ट्स किस में हेल्प करेंगे? सिक्रीशन. दैट्स व्हाई दिस नेम्स आर देयर. क्लियर? Absorption of water, mineral and digested food. Now next, okay, over here remember in the last class we have discussed that stem cells, remember? Stem cells are also present in this one also, which helps in to repair this gland if any defect occur, right? Then Pierce patches, only for NEET. NEET कर रहे हो तो ये prepare करना, otherwise not, right? Pierce patches, that is what you know, in our body circulatory system is there. Same way lymphatic system is also present. जैसे circulatory है, same way lymphatic system present in our body. Now lymphatic system में क्या होगा? At certain, suppose consider, okay, over here that is the human body. Now in that circulatory system as well as which one? Lymphatic system is there. So in certain portion, the lymph nodes are there. What's that? Okay, mass of lymphoid tissues that you call the lymph nodes. In other, that's the lymphatic vessels are there. In that the lymphs get filled. Now, so lymphoid tissues that are particularly present in which part? Ileum. Ileum में ही मिलेगा आपको ये, right? Not duodenum, not jejunum, but only which one? Ileum. Ileum may be particular which one? Remember the composition of submucosa? क्या होता है submucosa में? हाँ, then बोलो.
Blood and lymph.
Yes,
vessels.
submucosa, blood vessels, lymph vessels, nerves. Remember lymph vessel आया था? submucosa, lymphoid tissue, right? So lymphoid tissue present in submucosa of ileum, right? And that lymphatic system helps in what? To specialize for helps in specialization of B cells. Nowadays in corona type antibody तो famous है. Antibody क्या होता है? नहीं, WBC नहीं बोल सकते आप. Antibodies are what? Antibodies किसी को tell me, अगर suppose one of the person is suffering from corona, another is not suffering from corona, तो दोनों में antibodies होंगे कोरोना के. हाँ, meaning what? When any foreign body enter into our system, okay, our body that forms their army, shooters ready करते, that shooters are what? That's the antibodies, right? अभी ये antibody कौन produce करेगा? B cells, B lymphocyte, which is a type of WBC, right? This lymphocytes, two types of lymphocytes are there. One is a B lymphocyte, another is a T lymphocytes, right? To give a protection against that foreign body, right? This B lymphocytes are required, and for that, this lymphoid tissue, that's a secondary. Thymus gland है, bone marrow है, वहां पे भी होता है ये secondary lymphoid organ है in our body, lymphoid tissue है. That is the which one? Pierce patches. When you see this thing, right? When you see this thing in a transverse section, you can see that in a patches form. In submucosa, that is occur in a which form? Patches. That's why the name given what? Pierce patches. Clear? Pierce patches. Basically, it's a what? Lymphoid tissue. Simple form में learn करना है. Lymphoid tissue. Lymphoid tissue, that is lymphoid tissue. So present in submucosa, particularly which part? Ileum. What is the role of this lymphoid tissue? Helps in specialization of B lymphocytes. बोलिए, clear? B lymphocyte क्या करेगा? Antibody. It helps in production of antibody against foreign molecules. Clear है? Sure? Right. Now we are going to discuss that's the diseases. Okay? ये part हो गया. मुझे यहाँ पे थोड़ा writing करना है. Then we will start. Okay. Thank you.
મેમ ગુજકેટમાં બી આટલું બધું એક્સ્ટ્રા આવે?
Good set only 12th standard, not 11.
12th જ, 11th બી નહીં?
Now stop writing. Now we are going to discuss the diseases, right? Disease is related to digestive system. One of the common disease, you know, food poisoning. क्या होता है food poisoning में? Why? बोलिए. हाँ? हाँ. That any bacterial spore when we ingest, right, with the food. So either bacterial infection होता है या फिर any parasitic infection is there, right? So that thing leads to vomiting, diarrhea. This thing is a very common, right? First, we are going to discuss two specialized diseases related to this digestive system. That's the PAM, right? And then we go for the simple one, diarrhea, constipation, and all that, right? First, that's the PAM. PAM full form is what? Protein, energy, malnutrition. PAM full form क्या है? Protein, energy, malnutrition. Now, malnutrition का meaning क्या है?
Lack.
हाँ, deficiency. Simple, we can say that deficiency. Deficiency of which elements in diet? Protein and energy, calorie, right? So if deficiency occur in a food of what? Protein as well as calorie, right? Calorie होना चाहिए, energy, carbs generally. If these things are not there, then it leads to this PAM, protein, energy, malnutrition. In that two examples, first one is a which one? Marasmus. First is which one? Again, one more time speak. Marasmus. Second, that is kwashiorkor. Which one? Kwashiorkor. First, second, first, second. Now, see, stick with this thing. That's the protein and energy. Marasmus in that deficiency of protein and calorie. Deficiency of which two? Protein and calorie. Now, if both the deficiency are there, that's the protein and calorie. Deficiency of both, that's the which one? Protein and calorie. Then it leads to what? Marasmus. If only protein deficiency, then it leads to what? Kwashiorkor. See, protein and calorie, both deficiency, then it leads to marasmus. Only protein leads to what? Kwashiorkor. That is the first difference between these two diseases. Second difference, found in infant less than a year in age, less than a year, right? Over here, more than 1 year in age, right? Less than a year in age, and second is a more than a 1 year. Next, in that marasmus and kwashiorkor, okay, first marasmus, infant hai, okay, newborn babies. What is the food of newborn baby? Breast milk, which is the best one, right? Now, in that milk, actually calorie there, proteins are then all kind of nutrients, as well as, just a second. Newborn babies, that's food is a which one? Breast milk, which is the best one. In that all kinds of nutrients as well as antibodies are there. आपने सुना है that's अगर advertise में भी दिखा है that's the small babies के लिए milk powder आते हैं, lactogro and all that kinds, right? So in that no doubt that proteins are there, calorie food is there, but उसमें antibodies तो नहीं होंगे, right? That's why we can say that the best food is a which one? Breast milk, right? Now, so found in infant less than a year in age, and over here more than 1 year in age. Here, if mother's milk is replaced by too early by other food, okay, generally maximum, okay, जो pediatricians होते हैं, they suggest that maximum that's a 1.5 year or 2 years tak, that's a feeding is required. But if, okay, generally that's the one thing, that's a nowadays that's the maximum 1 year, okay, for the that's breast milk is feeding is given to the newborn babies. Now in that, if this breast milk, okay, that feeding is replaced too early by other food, means babies are there, okay, other than giving the breast milk, okay, mothers give what, only that protein, okay, dabba, right, same, okay, so that type of, if milk is given, so no doubt in that this type of elements are there, but other the things are required. Proteins, not all kinds of proteins are there in that, okay, that is present only in which one, mother's milk. So if mother's milk is replaced too early by other food, then that other food actually is poor in protein and calorie value, right? Other food nowadays actually should whenever lactogrowth, okay, in that sufficient amount of protein and other things are there, okay, but earlier days, just imagine, आप जस्ट इमेजिन करो कि पुअर विलेज और रोड साइड्स पे जो रहते हैं, ओके, आपने देखे उनके छोटे बच्चे, किड्स आर देयर, दे आर वेरी वीक, वेरी थिन, स्केलेटन ही दिखता है ऐसे समटाइम्स, तो यस और नो, राइट? सो व्हाई? बिकॉज दे हैव one thing, that's a poor protein as well as calorie value, okay, at which age they get this thing, less than a year, right? Next, after that, second reason is second pregnancy or childbirth, means two children are there, two children, in that first children and the second first child and second child, between them very less time period is there, very less time period, means within a 1 year or 2 years, consider that the both born, right? So in that case, what happened, mother's body is not fully prepared. First pregnancy हुआ, delivered होगा baby, now second pregnancy within a shorter period of time, right? So in between that, the very less period is there, and within that period the mother's body is not actually fully developed, recovered, right? जो first pregnancy के वो blood loss होता है and other things are that, from that this mother body is not fully recovered. And अगर ये time पे suppose second child born होता है, then जो second child, okay, at that time the breast milk is formed, that is also, or breast milk, even the nutrients which is provided during that gestation period, right, that is also very less, in deficient amount. So वो भी क्या हो जाएगा over here, that that leads to what, marasmus, okay, in that the protein and calorie deficiency occur, right? So first reason is what, if mother's milk is replaced too early by other food products, right, and other food products which are poor in protein and calorie, so marasmus ho gaya. Second is which one, second pregnancy or child, okay, birth when older infant is still too young, clear, right? No doubt twins में थोड़ा ये problem रहता है related to this breast milk, okay, but doctors give for that the medicines, okay, so this thing can be cured, बोलिए, clear? Now symptoms क्या है, protein and allergy deficiency है, proteins required for what in your body, muscles development, right? जिम में जाते हैं ना, muscles को protein powder लेते, सुना होगा ना? So okay, one thing, that's proteins required for muscle development, right? So आप imagine करो protein है नहीं, newborn babies है, okay, 1 year age baby है, so in that protein is not there. Next, protein नहीं है, muscles इतने developed नहीं है, तो looks like a skeleton, very thin, yes or no? Okay, so it impairs the growth and replacement of tissue proteins, right? It impairs the growth of this tissue protein. Second, extreme emaciation of body. Emaciation ka meaning look wise like a skeleton, extreme emaciation, okay. Next, thinning of limbs. Should I explain this point? Yes. Next, then skin that becomes dry, thin and wrinkled, okay. Then growth rate and body weight decline, proper protein nourishment is not given, then growth rate, obviously that's the decline. With that, mental abilities are also, means mental growth is also decline, right? So body weight भी decline है, growth rate decline, as well as mental growth and development also decline, right? So growth and development of brain and mental focus are impaired. Clear, right? So that's why the newborn babies are there. Okay, they should be fed with the breast milk, which is rich in that's the protein as well as calorie. Sufficient amount of calorie and proteins are present in that. Boliye, clear? If this thing is not there, then it leads to what? Marasmus. Clear? Now, kwashiorkor mein kya hai? Only the deficiency of protein deficiency. More than a 1 year in age here, less than a year in age. More than 1 year in age. In that year, यहाँ पे भी क्या है? Replacement of mother's milk. But जो मदर्स मिल्क है, ओके, रिप्लेसमेंट जो जिस फूड से किया है, इन दैट हाई कैलोरी, कैलोरी क्या है? हाई, बट डेफिशिएंसी किसका हुआ? प्रोटीन, राइट? सो नाउ द फूड इज गिवन टू दिस बेबीज इन दैट कैलोरी वैल्यू हाई बट प्रोटीन डेफिशिएंसी, राइट? अभी ये तो 1 year एज है ना, मोर देन 1, सो अदर फूड्स वी कैन गिव. यस, सो नाउ low protein diet in child, that things leads to what? Kwashiorkor. Right? Low protein diet that leads to what? Kwashiorkor. Low protein calorie diet leads to marasmus. Low protein diet leads to Kwashiorkor. Now, here the first symptom, wasting of muscles. Wasting of muscles meaning what over here? That muscles cannot be worked properly. Right? Muscles cannot be worked properly. That we can say that is the what? Wasting of muscle. Then same point, muscles, protein and thinning of limbs. Then same, failure of growth and brain development. Last point extra है, याद रखना. Some fat left under the skin. आपने ये देखा है, it looks like a simply अपने घर पे या फिर feel किया होगा, that's in Gujarati we call sojo avo. Okay, skin gets swollen, right? यहाँ पे वो not exactly that sojo avo like, but skin appear, looks जो होता है same like that, but becomes too much fatty, right? So some fat left under the skin that you call what? Oedema. In that, swelling of body parts, right? Swelling of what? Body parts. If this thing occurs, then leads to that. Clear hai? Kwashiorkor and marasmus and kwashiorkor. First point for marasmus, boliye. Deficiency of protein and calorie, right? Kwashiorkor?
Only protein deficiency.
Only protein. Next, second point.
Less than 1 year.
Found in infant less than a year, and second,
More than
more
1
than a
year.
year. Here the if mother's milk is replaced too early by food, which food? In which
protein and
calorie less, whereas in kwashiorkor calorie high but
Protein low.
right? Yes, correct. And then remember the symptoms, right? देखिए, thinning of limbs, growth, development, brain development, वो decline हो जाता है. That is the same points. बोलिए, clear है this thing? Sure? Understood? Okay. Now, take out your textbook. Just 5 simple digestive system disorder. In that first one, that is the jaundice. Okay, jaundice in Gujarati we call? Yes. क्या होता है?
Yellow.
Yeah, yellow color. Yellow color generally first appear कहाँ पे होता है पता है?
Eyes.
Eyes and nails. Why? तो वहां पे ही सिर्फ स्टोर होंगे. श्रेया इंग्लिश मीडियम से कि गुजराती? ना. Okay. Now listen. See, आप देखिए the tip of the nails, generally tip of the nails and this cornea part white. Okay, they are whitish in color. अगर white में कुछ भी yellow हो जाए, skin पे yellow होगा तो इतना generally पता नहीं चलेगा. But ये part में first you can observe this thing ना, yellow. That's why ये symptoms में mainly यहाँ पे included. That's the nails and the eyes that become yellow. Otherwise, enter in all body parts. Enter that is below the skin. This bile pigment store, bilirubin, biliverdin. Okay, jaundice होता है ना तो इसका टेस्ट करवाते हैं bilirubin का. Liver is affected. Liver is affected, right? Bilirubin, biliverdin का proper degradation नहीं होता. right? Bilirubin, biliverdin का proper degradation नहीं होता, so they start accumulating. Accumulation कहाँ पे होता है? Below the skin, right? That's why the person who is suffering from this jaundice looks like yellow color body, right? Now, so jaundice, the liver is affected, skin and eyes turn yellow due to the deposit of bile pigments. Second, that's the vomiting, right? Vomiting. So vomiting in that, gastroesophageal sphincter. Another name?
Muscular.
Another name,
Cardiac.
muscular sphincter. Correct, right? Muscular, gastroesophageal or cardiac. That sphincter connects which two organ? Esophagus and stomach. Now, during vomiting, okay, the content comes outside from esophagus or stomach?
Stomach.
Stomach. Okay, which one? Stomach. Stomach में store होता है ना temporary. Esophagus तो pass करता है, तो वो कैसे होगा? जो stored है that coming outside. Yes or no? Right? So that sphincter, which sphincter? That cardiac sphincter. Okay, that contraction relaxation muscles do not properly work. Do not properly work during this vomiting time. Okay, so the content comes outside. And now, vomiting center. Okay, vomiting center actually located in our brain, medulla oblongata. Okay, vomiting को जो control करता है, that center located in medulla oblongata. Okay, some of the persons are there. In that, this sensor is very sensitive, active. आपने देखे कुछ ऐसे persons होते हैं कि अगर कुछ भी ऐसा वैसा कुछ smell आ जाए तो उनको start हो जाता है vomiting and all that. Why? Because their center, vomiting center in medulla oblongata is very sensitive, very active. Right? Yes or no? Okay. Newborn babies में भी ऐसा actually होता है. But gradually, okay, that can be controlled. जैसे जैसे system develops होते हैं, this thing can control. But some of the person, adult में भी ये होता है. Right? So remember vomiting over here. So it is the ejection of stomach content through the mouth. This reflex action is controlled by the vomit center in the medulla, and a feeling of nausea precedes what? Vomiting. Then next one is the diarrhea, right? Diarrhea, in that absorption process get affected. Yes or no? Absorption process get affected. So colon, large intestine actually cannot be absorbed the water molecules. Okay, large intestine cannot absorb that water molecules from the undigested food. Proper digestion bhi nahi hota as well as absorption in case of diarrhea. So abnormal frequency of bowel movement and increase the liquidity of fecal discharge is known as diarrhea. Bowel movement, you know, right? Okay, it reduces the absorption of food, right? Next, diarrhea का exact opposite क्या हो जाता है? Constipation, right? Constipation, in that feces are retained within the colon. Within the which one? Colon. And जितने भी water molecules है ना, वो absorb करते हैं. So it becomes a very hard fecal matter, right? And that fecal matter, okay, when passes out, it creates a pain. Sometimes bleeding occur. Okay, so that you call constipation. How can we cure that? Rafid means the fibers, right? We should eat fibers. We should eat what? Fibers. Fibers should be present in our food, right? Fibers किसमें से मिलते हैं? Raw vegetables, fruits. Mango में देखा है अगर कट करे रेसा, in Gujarati we call resa, threads like structure, right? That you call what? Fibers. Even आप lemon juice को भी देखो, उसमें भी fibers है. Sapota, चीकू, fibers. Apple, fibers, right? अभी कोई भी fruit vegetable खाओ ना, biology point of view, इसमें fibers है. Yes or no? Right? Yes. Okay, generally in all fruits and vegetables, these fibers are there. That's why we should eat, okay, these vegetables and fruits. Next, so constipation, the feces are retained within the colon as the bowel movement occurs irregularly. Next, indigestion. Indigestion meaning what? Food is not properly digested. Food is not properly digested, that you call indigestion. Now, in that, when food is not properly digested ना, so feeling of fullness, okay, थोड़ा सा आपने देखे कुछ persons ऐसे होते हैं, थोड़ा सा ही खाते हैं, but क्या होता है, they feel like what, अरे पेट बहुत भर गया, yes or no, है ना, अभी नहीं खाया जाएगा, like that उनका start, so that you call the feeling of fullness. The causes of indigestion are what? Inadequate enzyme secretion, right? Enzymes proper amount में secrete नहीं हो रहे, then enzyme नहीं है तो substrate का product नहीं, and then product का absorption नहीं, right? Next, another thing is what? Food poisoning, then overeating and spicy food. Overeating में भी ये problem होता है, right? Another is a which one? Spicy food. Spicy food लेते burning sensation होता है. आप इमेजिन करिए क्यों होता है, बिकॉज अवर इंटेस्टाइन ल्यूमेन मींस दैट म्यूकोजा लेयर, ओके, म्यूकोजा लेयर को ही तो ये फील होगा हम स्पाइसी फूड खा रहे हैं तो, यस और नो, सो वहां के जो गॉबलेट सेल्स होते हैं ना वो डैमेज होता है इससे, सो लुब्रिकेशन प्रॉपर नहीं होता है, राइट, लुब्रिकेशन प्रॉपरली नॉट डन एंड दैट्स व्हाई दिस थिंग हैपन. बोलिए क्लियर है, कौन से डिसीजेस किए हमने? jaundice, then
Asthma,
Diarrhea,
diarrhea,
constipation, indigestion.
indigestion and marasmus and kwashiorkor. बोलिए क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
Typhoid bacterial infection, in that no doubt intestine get affected. Salmonella typhi organism है bacteria का name, right? In that intestine absorption capacity, digestion capacity get lost. बोलिए. हाँ, yes. बोलो. Sure, clear? Any doubt? Now only one topic is remaining, that's the absorption, right? Complete your work.